Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the lengthen command. So this command changes the length of the object, include angle of arc. You can specify change in percentage, an increment, or a spinal length or angle. So lengthen is an alternative to using the trim or extend command. So this command is located in the modify panel. This is the icon for the lengthen command, or we can also type in the command line len, L-E-N. So let's say we have a line and the distance of our line is 4. And now let's say we want to extend this line by 2. So we're going to use the length command. So we'll select the command, and then it says here select an object to measure. If we're going to select this line, it will show to us that the current length is 4. Since we want to extend this by 2, so we're going to use the delta option. Click the delta option, and then it says here enter delta length. So let's say we type 2, and then it says here select an object to change. So if we're going to select this side, so this will extend the line here going to here. Or if we're going to select the other side, so this will be extend from here going to the left. So we'll select this part. Okay, so now if we're going to check the distance of our line, so our line now has the distance of 6. Let's say we want to subtract this line by 4. So we're going to use again the command, length command, and then option delta. So if we're going to subtract this by 4, we will going to type negative 4 to subtract our line by 4. Enter. Okay, so now we just subtract our line by 4. So if we're going to check the distance of our new line now is 2. So this is how the command works. Next, let's say we have an arc. C for center. This is our center. Hold the control key to change direction. So from here, so let's say we want to subtract this arc by 30 degree. Let's first draw a line, and then we'll use the 30 degree. Okay, so we'll use the command, and then delta option, then angle. So we'll type minus 30 degree. Enter. And then we'll select here, enter. So our angle is 30. So we subtract here 30 degree. So let's say if we want to add this arc by 30 degree, so the same procedure. Delta angle, and then now we will just type 30 degree. This is to add our arc. Okay, So we can also add the arc. So delta, let's say angle. We want to add the arc by 50 degree. Enter. So say here. So this will add 50 degree. So this will add from here. So this is 50 degree. Okay. So next, we will draw a line again. And then this time, we will give the length of our line is 4. Enter. So we're going to check the distance. This is now 4. And then now we will choose the percent. So here, let's say we want to reduce this line by 30%. So we'll type 30, enter, and we'll select this. So this is now, so this is now reduced by 30%. Okay, next. So let's say we'll draw a line again. The length of our line is 4. And then we'll use the command, length command, and we're going to change this by percentage. So we'll select percent, and let's say we want to change this 20%. So we'll type 20. So this is now 20% of our total length. So what if we're going to change the percent from 100? So as you can see, nothing happens because at the moment this is now 100% of our new line. So we cannot change this by 100% because this is already 100%. What we can do is we can say command percent. We can say we want to change this by 130%. So if we're going to select the line, so this will now 30% to our 100%. So now this is now 100% of its length. So we'll check. So this is now the length, our new length. So if we're going to, let's say, use the command again, percent, and we'll type 100. If we select this, nothing happened because this is now 100%. So if we want to subtract this, if we choose 100, nothing will happen because this is now 100. If we choose 0, nothing will happen. Let's say try. Let's say 0%. So it says here, value must be positive and non-zero. So we cannot input 0. So let's try 1%. So this is now become 1%. And now this is already 100% of its new length. So let me undo. So this is how the percent works. Okay, so next we'll draw a line. And then we'll give the length of our line 5. And we'll choose the command again, length command. And now we're going to use the total. . And then it says here, specify the total length. So let's say we want the total length is 2. We'll type 2. Then we'll select this one. So this is now become 2. Okay, 2. Next, length command, total. So since this is now 2, if we want to add, so let's say we want to add 3. So meaning 2 plus 3, 5. So we will going to type here, we want the new total length is 5. Enter, and we'll select this. So this will now 5. So this is how to use the option total. Next, the last is dynamic. So if we're going to click the dynamic, it says here select the object to change. We're going to select here, so we can now change the length of the line from here. Let's say from here, so our length now is reduced. And if we want to extend our length, we'll select, and then it says here specify new endpoint. So let's say our new endpoint is here. So this is how the dynamic option works. So this is guys for the length command. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell to receive latest video on this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.